10 surprising benefits of keeping succulents in your home. Succulents are a type of plant that has actually gained popularity recently due to their special look and low maintenance care. They are available in a variety of sizes, shapes, and colors, making them a versatile addition to any house decoration. 10 surprising benefits of keeping succulents in your home. Air purification. Succulents are known for their capability to cleanse the air by removing damaging toxic substances and pollutants. Improved concentration. Studies have actually revealed that having plants in your environment can improve your concentration and productivity. Stress reduction. Succulents have a soothing impact on the body and mind. Their existence can help minimize tension, stress, and anxiety levels, making them an ideal addition to any relaxation area in your home. Better sleep. Plants such as succulents release oxygen at night, which can help enhance the air quality in your bedroom and promote much better sleep. Decor. Succulents are a natural and beautiful way to add color and texture to your home decor. In conclusion, succulents offer more than just aesthetic appeal. They supply a series of surprising benefits for your house, wellness, and healthy environment. Succulents are an ideal option for this function due to the fact that they do not require much attention, allowing you to focus on your work without being sidetracked by their upkeep. Why not bring a little bit of nature into your living area with a few of these beautiful plants? Please visit asucculent.com for the complete list.